everyone, it's me again, Brittany from the Science Alive team here at the Desert Research Institute. And now it is time to do activity 3 of our Life Science Exploration Kit, Create Your Own Creature. So let's dig in. For this activity, you will once again need your facilitator instructions. You will need your science notebook, a pencil, crayons, and last but not least, your Science Alive creator sticker. So let's go ahead and stick that on right now. This activity will take about 20 minutes or however long you want to create your creature. So let's take a moment to think back to the other activities. In activity 1 and the read along before, you learned what life is, what defines life, how do we know that something is living. In activity 2, we looked at environments in and around the greater Nevada area, and you got to explore your own environment. Now we get to take everything that we just learned and create our own creature. So, in the last few pages of your notebook, 8 and 9, you will get to create your own creature. This should be a brand new creature, nothing that we have ever seen before. It's important to keep in mind, how do we know that this creature is living? Once you create your creature, you are more than welcome to take a picture of it and its description and send it to us here at Science Alive at drisciencealive@gmail.com. If you do so, you might be featured in our newsletter. So have fun, creators, and thanks for coming. Here are some examples of creatures that participants have created.